This is Grammar Explanation 3.6 on page 82. This is about making negatives and questions with the simple past tense. Okay, to make the negative, we use didn't or did not, and then the base form or the dictionary form or the present form for either regular or irregular verbs, except to be is different. We'll talk about that later. So I say for an affirmative statement, Diana succeeded on her 5th attempt. The negative statement has didn't. It has didn't. And then the base form of the verb. You see what happens is this ed, this past information, is now in the didn't. And in the negative form, you've got succeed with no ed. She didn't succeed on her 1st attempt. And this is how it looks with an irregular verb. This is simple past. She swam around Manhattan in her 20s. Her, that should be, means when she was in her 20s. She didn't swim from Cuba to Florida in her 20s. Here you see you've got the past form, but the didn't goes, the past goes here, and then now this is going to be the base form after the didn't. Okay, to make a yes-no question, you've got did. Nayad face difficulties. You've got did, base form, answer, yes, she did. Did she succeed? Did, and base form. And for a negative, short answer, no, she didn't. Okay, what kind of difficulties did Nayad face? Here's the question word, and then did and base form. When did she succeed? Question word, did, and base form. And just to look at a statement, a yes-no question with a short answer, and a WH question, here is an irregular verb statement, Diana swam to Florida. The question, did she swim? Past tense and then base form. Around Manhattan, yes, she did. And there is the short answer. When did she swim around Manhattan? Did, base form. Here's an example with a negative. She didn't succeed the first time. Here's didn't, base form. Did she succeed? Did, and base form. When did she succeed? Did, and base form. Why didn't she succeed? Didn't, and the base form. Notice that with the verb to be, we never use did. Nayad wasn't successful her first time. What was her goal? In this negative, you will never see did or didn't. In this question, you will never see did. But with other verbs, yes, she didn't reach Florida on her first try. Here's didn't, base form. What did she want to accomplish? Did, and the base form. Verb to be is an exception. We never use did or didn't when the main verb is to be.